For taking your time. My name is Fatima Aruna. So I'll be speaking on what goes behind an AI app. You know, you know, AI applications are like magic helpers in your phone. They help you to listen to and show you things that you want to do on your phone. So, and there are three pillars of an AI application. We have the data. Data is like data is like pictures, like the words and the things you say, and we have the models and the APIs. APIs is like the models are like the brain behind the thing that you want to do, like what you are trying to train your model to do. So the interface is like the front end application, the front end layer of every application that you have, you know. So app like ChatGPT and TikTok, they are inbuilt application that have core layers, and they are built by data and model which are being trained in it. So two type of we have two types of data. We have structured and unstructured data. Structured data are like organized data. They are they are very neat, they are clean, and they are nice to deal with. And we have unstructured data, just like um they are not fixed, they are not fixed formats. They are like example of unstructured data, they are like messy toys that you see everywhere, like drawings and videos, you know. So why does it matter? It matters because LLMs and computer vision thrive because it can extract meaning from unstructured data, which form over 80% of the world's digital content. So we have AI model. So AI model, this is like the brain behind how the application works. They help you to think and to make decisions. So the API is just like the third party of the application. Like you tell what to do, you tell the API what to do, and it goes to deliver what you ask the API to do. For example, like the waiter in the restaurant, you go to the restaurant to place an order of food. So the waiter goes to bring the food for you. So API is just like the third party of an application. So we have like ChatGPT API, the Google Vectors API, the AWS Model API. So the interface layer is like the user that you interact with, the front end, like the front end of an application, what you see on a mobile application. Like if you are interacting with an application on your phone, what you see, the mobile app, the website, the the widgets that you see, the dashboard and the buttons, the screen, the chatbots, the voice assistants that you see on the application. So, and we have the key focus area, which is like the user experience, the speed and responsiveness, the presenting generated results clearly. These are the key focus areas. The AI behind this scene of Netflix. You know, Netflix uses a personalized recommendation. For example, if you like watching cartoons on Netflix, so it's going to like bring a recommendation for you. And if you like watching action movies, it's going to bring recommendation for you. So it's personalized recommendation. It has streaming quality, thumbnail personalization, content insights, and we have the AI pipeline example. These are the data collected from viewing habits. The models predict what you will like, and also the interface, like the screen that you see, display the customized movie roles for each of us. So we also have for Spotify. So Spotify uses AI to pick songs for you. If you like happy songs, if you like calm music, so any kind of songs that you like, Spotify uses AI features to pick songs for you. And it also make recommendation of the kind of song that you like listening to. We also have the audio analysis, the machine learning models also analyze and track features for you. We have the behavior modeling and dynamic playlists that uses AI ranking algorithm. So these are like the use cases that um AI like the real AI use cases for solving real problems in the industry. Like the healthcare, it helps doctors to make predictions, to find sickness, and we have the AI diagnosis, we have the drug discovery features, summary of medical record. In education, we also have the personalized learning, AI tutors, automated grading. In finance sector, we also have the fraud detection, personalized banking, automated risk assessment, and also in retail, we have the demand forecasting, chatbots, and product recommendation. So this slide is talking about LLM, large language model. So large language model is like a system that is being trained on text, and it helps you to understand and generate human language. It also make recommendation for you. It helps you to predict the next word or patterns learned from massive data sets. So, and it also help in image diffusion model. Building an AI app requires rich data, and it requires rich data, powerful AI models via APIs, like the APIs core, and a clean and intuitive interface. So for you to build an AI application, it requires these three features: data, powerful AI, and powerful APIs, and clean and intuitive interface. So AI power the app we use daily: streaming platform, social media, healthcare system, enterprise tools. Understanding what goes behind AI gives us the ability to design smarter, more impactful solutions. Thank you very much.